everyone! On the way kami ngayon sa New Mexico, pero kailangan lang namin mag-stop sa Lubbock, Texas, doon kami matutulog. So, 5 hours and 19 minutes from Killeen, Texas to Lubbock. Then, dito kami matutulog sa Lubbock. Then, after that, the next day, start na naman kami mag-drive going to New Mexico. So, isa-surprise namin si Marcel. Hindi nila alam na pupunta kami doon, pero tatawagan ko si Erica, syempre makikipagkuntsaba ako sa kanya. So pagdating namin doon, Sabado na, so Friday ngayon, it's 7:32 p.m. Meron pa kaming 2 hours and 31 minutes kasi ang travel is 5 hours and 19 minutes. Saturday ang dating namin sa New Mexico. May oil dyan? Time check. It's 9:12 p.m. here. We have 50 more minutes left na bago namin ma-reach ang Lubbock. Ayan, gabi na. Gabi na. Hi everyone, it's Saturday. Start na naman kaming mag-drive from Lubbock to New Mexico, 5 hours. So ngayon maghahanap muna kami ng gas station para kumuha ng gas. Malapit na kami ngayon. Nandito na kami sa Albuquerque. So, 28 minutes.
Pinintaan nila yan.
Oh, yeah?
Ito mo, parang...
right now, but they have no idea. I told him that I'm going to get VHS tapes.
So today, he knows that you're going to where?
That I'm here. He knows I'm here, but I told him
How's the girls?
they're good.
So, Maya doesn't know?
No, no one knows.
So, what is the plan? Where are we gonna park?
Okay, so you're gonna park in front of my neighbor's house.
Hi everyone! Nandito na kami sa Kirkland. Kaka-arrive lang namin at nakakuha ng pass sa gate. So, ayun, nandun ngayon yung aking daughter-in-law. Papunta kami sa bahay nila.